Okay, now in this video, it will be very short video, and just we'll see how much is the or what is the exact setup which is recommended, and what is the cost requirement for the setting up of the basic bakery unit. Basic, okay, these are not the finalized structure, and that is not the finalized cost. According to your requirements of the production, that will be changed, okay, but it is generalized cost, and your setting layout is given, so that you can go through it and understand what is the basic concept behind that. So as you can see in this particular diagram, the area available for the expansion is given here, and the particular in the upper side, particularly the area available for expansion, that is given, and the floor space, this 16 into 20, that here given 320 feet of floor space and 52 feet of bench space plus 11 feet of center table. So like that, it is very generalized and common structure given for the bakery unit or layout of the bakery unit, but it is not the full and final. If you are having more instrument, more production capacity, and more things to do, so that layout will not be much suitable. So you have to expand, and I will send you one more video regarding the setting of bakery unit, how exactly that will work, that will you come to know. Okay, the next thing that here it is given, see that established bakery unit cost and profit. So as you can see that established bakery unit cost and profit, that it is given on the very basic thing, the land and building, rented house, the equipments that are given, oven, dough mixer, bread slicer, cutter and all. The price estimate is given 1,15,000. Okay, the next thing is furniture, and the total investment will be calculated as 1,39,200. Then the recurring expenses, that will be around by calculating all the things, that will be 3,60,000, and salaries, wages and all 54,000, income and expenses then given, and total salary, wages, establishing bakery unit cost and profit continued 235. Next on next page, even that the total will be 5,79,600. Okay, so like that. Okay, as you have seen these structures, the 5,79,600, that was somewhat around the estimate is given. It is very basic, but if you consider today, the ovens are not available at very low price. Like even you are going to purchase a medium size or a small size oven also, then you require at least baking oven, then you require at least 1,50,000 to 2 lakh rupees. So therefore you have you will not be set up a bakery unit in this cost. So you have to be increasing this cost to the more extent. That means if you consider this cost, so that will not be at the but it is just given a very basic cost. If you consider manual operations, then if you continue with the semi-automatic manuals, semi-manual work, or not all the automatic work. If you are going for a totally automatic plant, then it will require huge cost. Okay, so if you are going with the both manual as well as automatic, then you may be set up with the somewhat less cost, but I think not at least in that cost. So but depends if you are going to prepare, how you are going to maintain the cost, and what is your budget and all these things. So with this topic, I'm going to stop here, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.